Hey, so usually you have two main options when you've been charged with having broken the law. You can choose to have a trial, or you can choose to admit, saying, I broke the law by, and tell the judge what you did. Some reasons that you might choose to have a trial are that you have a constitutional right to have a trial, and you can make the state prove what it says happened. And that's an old right that we've had in this country for hundreds of years, and we want people to have that opportunity. You also have a constitutional right to not be forced by the government to say that you did something wrong. Another old constitutional right that in this country and in this state we don't want to force people to say they did something wrong if they don't want to say that. Also, if you believe you did not break the law, then you may not feel good about admitting that you did, and you may want to testify at your trial so the whole true story can come out. Also, the court might find that you did not break the law. Is an acquittal is what that's called sometimes, and that's another, perhaps the biggest reason some people see to have a trial is that chance of being acquitted, found not guilty. Now, a reason you might admit is if you believe you did break the law, it can feel good and can help you be better to admit what you did wrong. Also, preparing for and going to trial can feel long and stressful, and chances of winning are usually small. So that's the reason you might choose to admit instead of having a trial. Finally, sometimes you get a better idea of what your sentence will be, like knowing how long probation will be if you choose to admit, because you can ask the prosecutor to make a recommendation. Say, hey, what will the prosecutor recommend as my sentence if I admit? But sometimes your sentence will be about the same as if you had just gone to trial. But no guarantees when you go to trial about what the prosecutor will recommend or what the judge will do. Okay, those are your basic options and some reasons that you might choose either one.